give Carly a kiss? Come on, Johnny. Give her a kiss. Can you give her a kiss?
No, wait.
Oh, he gave you a kiss. Can you give her another kiss? Oh.
Johnny.
Hey, Johnny, come on.
Go give Carly a kiss. Give Carly a kiss. Give Carly a kiss.
Can you give her a kiss? Are you ready for a kiss, Carly? Yeah, you want a kiss from Johnny?
Go give her a kiss. Johnny, go. Give her a kiss, Johnny. Carly. Carly, look.
Carly, you want to give him a kiss?
Carly, give Johnny a kiss.
Good boy. Can you give her another kiss? Give her a kiss. Carly, can you say bye-bye?
Bye.
Good job. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Or not. Yep. Dogs have a great life in our house.